So this is the first thing you want to do. You are going to type the name of the app on Chrome. The name of the app is Video Inu. Video Inu. So you can see it is free. Although it has the pro version. So this is the interface. This is what you are going to see. So when you click on it, you are going to click on start for free. When you click on start for free, you can see I already registered on this video. So I want to log out now so that I can show you exactly how I registered. So I want to log out. So you are going to click on login up here. When you click on it, I advise that you use your Google account direct, so it is very easier. So you click on login with Google, and if you like, you can also use email. So you can use any of the accounts here. So I'm going to use this one. So you're going to click this one. So you will see you say login successfully. So now for you to claim your bonus, so you have to finish up some you have to finish up some questions here. So you can see, just pick what you know that it's best describe you. So now let's see, as in my case, I'm a content creator. So I click on next. Yes, teaching, of course. So you click on next. So cartoon story, AI short drama. Let me choose AI short drama. So I like that. So intermediate, professional, you can choose any of it. And if you are a total beginner, you can also choose no experience. So in my case, I'll be using intermediate because I've used all this CapCut before. I've used all these. So main video platform or publishing channels. So I use YouTube, I use Facebook, and I also use TikTok. So you can choose any other one that you are using. You click on next. So how did you hear about us? So you can choose YouTube, of course. And if it is on Facebook, you choose on Facebook. Whichever you choose is okay. So you click on next. So what do you actually hope to achieve here? They're asking you what exactly do you want to achieve here. So you type whatever you want. For in my case, for example, I'll say to create interesting AI videos. You understand? You can say cartoon or children AI videos. So you will now click on get credit. You'll be automatically be given the credit. You can see, so your credit will be increased. So you click on join. So you can see up here it has been increased to 700. So now what do you want to do next? I like this app because it is very straightforward and simple. Like, it is very simple. So you can see there are some three options that you can see, that is sliding. You can see text to video toolbars. You can see animation video. You can also see cinematic video. So whichever one you want, so you click on it. So you can, in my case, I will choose the third one, which is this is cinematic video. So I will click on it. So you can choose any one of your choice. So just follow me. So in this case, when you reach here, you will need your script. So you will need your script. I will show you how to get scripts. So if you don't have script before, I will show you how to get script. So let us quickly go back to ChatGPT and get our script. So we are on ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT that create an educative series story for kids age 5 to 9. So you can say, you can put all this. Please take note that I will need consent to write off my story. Use to the next, give me prompt for. So all this, we don't need it first. There's a project I'm working on before, so this is what we need first. Scripts, create and give series story scripts, script. So it will give us the script. After it's generated it, so you just have to just copy. So this is the first scene. So this is the second scene. So it gave us scene by scene. All you just want to do is just copy the first scene. So you have to generate scene by scene then. So just copy the first scene. You copy it. You go back to our AI. So you paste in your script. So when you paste in your script, you will choose either to use 3D. You will choose either to use 3D, cinematic, horror, or realistic. So in my case, I'll choose cinematic. So you can choose here. You can see 30 seconds, 60 seconds. So you can choose. You can see you can generate up to 20 to 30 minute video, but all these are for those that subscribed to the platform. So you can actually use the free version, which is just 60 seconds. So let's go for that. Let us go for that. So let me paste. Okay, so you can leave it at 3D. I prefer that 3D. So 30 seconds landscape. So you can leave it at landscape, whichever one you want. So you click on confirm. English, which language do you want it to be? English. You click on, so you now click on create. So when you click on create, you will see it is generating. Now it has given us another page. So you can see this is the page. So you can see these are the characters. You can see how beautiful it is. This is very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So this is scene 1. So you can see this is very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So the next thing is to click on, you can preview your storyboard, and you can see the amount of the coin it's going to deduct. Just 90 coin. So just 90 coins, and you will generate your fourth scene. In this case, you can also animate your video from this section. You can animate it, and you can also leave it in picture style. So whichever one you want, you can leave it. So you can see this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So you can regenerate, you can animate. So what do you want to do next? You click on next here. So you can actually animate. So if you want, and so for me, I don't want to animate. So you can animate if you want. So you click on next. The next thing to click is to generate this video. it will give you perfectly. So let's wait for it for some minutes. This is sweet. Let's play it. So you can see. So when you are done, when you like it, don't forget that I said you can animate it if you want. So let us assume you animated it, you will see the action. So you will see the action. So you now click on save to download. It will automatically download on your phone. So this is very sweet. You can also edit. You can also edit again, so and do whatever you want with this video. So I hope this will help you one way or the other. Thank you for watching.